How do you get a tree listing of files and directories all the way down from h:/trees? Tests. Import OS. Path equals h:/s tests. Now, for this condition and this, for path, dirs, and files in os.walk.path, print path, dirs, files, and stars. How to open and display a web page on the screen. Ugly version. Import urllib.request. Y equals urllib.request dot URL open http://google.com. Assign that to Y. Y.read everything, assign that to X. X and hit enter. How do you open up a URL for viewing? Import urllib.request. urllib.request.urlretrieve. http://hwt.com/ in this case I grab a video. videos.php question ID equals 41, comma. Now, where am I going to put it? c:/gbgoog.html. That's a good name for a file. Where now are the contents of that video and web page that you just retrieved? Here in this file, c:/gbgoog.html. How do you open that file? Right-click on the file, open with, choose Firefox, click on the video, it starts playing. How do you connect to a site? Import http.client. X equals http.client.http connection www.rubylang.org, 80. X.connect. How do you request the index.html page from that site? X.request get uppercase, comma, /index.html. They will respond. How do you get their response? And then read it. X.getResponse, assign that to Y. Y.read, assign that to Z. How do you print it all out? Print Z, and you get this, a mess. How do you close the connection? X.close. How do you write a try statement? Try x equals 5, y equals 0, print x divided by y. But what happens if you get an error? If you get an exception, except a 0 divide exception, except 0 division error, colon. If you get that, in that case, print oops, div by 0. End of test for 71 to 75. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.